In this video, I'm going to show you how to use these highlight icons. First, once you open up the PDF after you've downloaded it, you can select one of the sets of icons. I'm going to start just with light gray. And you'll see this screen. It says that I've shared a template with you. Click on Use Template, and it will bring up Canva. You can get a free Canva account if you don't have one. And then here are the 50, they're all down here too, 50 icons you can choose from. So scroll through until you find one that you want to use. I'll use page 13, books. So I'm going to download that. Come up here, click download. We want the PNG suggested file. And you can download all the pages if you want. I'm going to just download page 13. Click download. Once that is downloaded to your computer, you can go ahead and send that to your phone however you do it. I use AirDrop because I have a Mac and an iPhone, but any way that you do it, send yourself that file, and then I'll see you over on my iPhone. First thing I do is I go to my photos and make sure that my image is there that I want. And then I'm going to navigate over to Instagram, go down in the bottom right and click my profile picture. And then I want to look at the highlights. I'm going to add new, the plus sign in the circle is. I hit that, and then I'm just going to select any picture for now and then hit next. I'm going to type the title of my highlight cover, books, and I'm going to hit edit cover. I'm going to click the little picture symbol on the left, and it's going to pull up my photos. I'm going to select the first one, books, and I can adjust that with my fingers. You can zoom in and zoom out however you want, so you can make the words bigger or smaller, whatever is appropriate for your aesthetic. When you're done, click done, then click done again. If everything looks good, click add. And you can see we've added the highlight cover books. As easy as that. If you have any questions, send me a message. I'm here to help.